How to get started using SiteBoss's new Blade application. Once you have completed installation, go into the Stake Store menu, then Staking Tools. Tap on Blade, and you will see a pop-up that details the intended use for this application. Tap OK if you have already set up your machine profile, or Edit if you have not. Tap Add, then name your machine profile. Use the arrows to view measurement pages 1 and 2 for guidance on taking machine measurements. To enter measurements, tap the number that corresponds with the dimension you'd like to enter. Tap the question mark to see details on how to measure, or scroll through using arrows. Tap Blade Settings to return to the measurement screen. You'll notice the option to display blade cross slope and blade angle. The operating screen is split with a plan and cross-section view. The gear icon allows you to return to the blade settings menu if needed. To edit blade measurements, tap the pencil icon and modify as needed. Once you've achieved a fixed position, tilt will automatically be activated and cut fill values will be displayed. Tap the top or bottom arrows to view upper and lower toolbars, or slide to hide them. Tap the footprints to center your machine. Tapping a line will select it for guidance. You can select the left, right, or center of your blade for guidance by tapping the X's. The pink dot represents the horizontal distance from the line. Offsets can be applied to both lines and surfaces using the horizontal and vertical pop-out menus. Press and hold the plus magnifying glass for tap to zoom. Press and hold the minus magnifying glass for zoom extents. Access the data screen directly by tapping the tab next to the footprints. And then tap the back or SiteBoss buttons to return to Stake Store. Prior to using Blade, store a point with the rover that you can use for a machine position check. Write down the coordinates and keep somewhere convenient. You can check this point with the right or left blade tip, or center of blade. Track to the point and set your blade on it. Make sure the X is in the correct spot, then tap the GPS check and compare the position to what you stored with the rover. This should be done twice per day, and you should be within 0.2 of a foot horizontally and 1/10 vertically. If you are not receiving cut fill values, make sure you are over your surface and that you have a fixed position. If tilt is not activated, you may need to move your machine. This has been a tutorial for getting started using the Blade application. Thanks for watching.